Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sparkly Doodling Koala. Today we are going to draw a penguin. So, the first step is we're going to draw a circle. And after you draw your circle, you're going to draw a smaller circle inside of that circle. And then you're gonna, for the eyes, you're gonna do 2 small circles. And for the beak, you're gonna do a little triangle. Now, moving on to the wings, you're just gonna make like triangular shapes on the sides. And then for the feet, you're gonna do 2 little round, like, U's. And then you can add a little bow.